And we're going to do a quick review on the solar panel Xtar. And when I ordered it, they also sent me a bonus DC to DC USB charger. It was in the box. We already had this. It's another little charging device we got. Charges from the sun or plugs in. Gets your devices charged up. It's got a flashlight on the end of it. Bought that off Amazon. Instructions manual for the solar panel. I also bought this extension cord for the solar panel. This is another 10 feet. And Jackery sent me this to plug 2 solar panels in. So anyway, we're going to try it out. The sun's out nice and bright. We're going to plug this into the Jackery input. And we're going to see how it does here. Let's see. There it goes. Let's see what we can do. You probably see me in the reflection. So, I like it's about 103. If you can make that out, let me do it this way. There you go. All right, look at that, 104, 103. Wow, that solar panel is really putting out. So it's rated for a 100-watt solar panel. It's a 100-watt solar panel, and it's doing more than 100. It's 103, 104, 100. And you can see the Jackery is at 82%, and that's simply amazing. The sun just went in behind the clouds. You can see it dropping off, and the sun's completely behind the clouds now. And of course, it dropped off. 17 watts, still bringing in 17 watts with the sun behind the clouds. Like I said, the Jackery is at 82%. We ran this Jackery yesterday on our freezer, deep freezer. I ran it for about 6 hours. And it only went down to 82%. So here we go. The sun's coming back out. Let's watch, see what it does. The sun's trying to come back out. We got a rainstorm trying to move in here in just a little bit, so I figured I would at least try it and see what happens. It's trying. It's trying. There you go. Here's the sun trying to come out now. The wind's starting to pick up, so that might help a little bit. But you can see this is a 100-watt solar panel. And normally a 100-watt solar panel normally you only get about 80 watts out of a 100-watt solar panel, 90 if you're doing good. This one's doing all of 100. And you can see the sun's coming back out, and you can see it's trying to gain back. So I was gonna wait and see if the actual sun was gonna, that was me shaking the camera there. It ought to be coming back out in just a minute then, if we give it patience here. But this is simply amazing. Like I said, that the Jackery sent us this. Like I said, I bought this extension cord. I bought this extra 10-foot instruction manual. We already had this for cell phone charging. And we got a free one of these, DC to DC charger. That panel is simply amazing. All right, sun's back out. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. 104, 102, simply amazing. It is well worth the money. I don't believe that Jackery panels can put out that kind of power, but this is simply amazing. This is a great setup. I would highly recommend this setup here for the Jackery 1000. We bought the panel. The panel is actually a little cheaper than the Jackery, but I looked at all the reviews on them, and people were saying that panel really puts out a lot. And look at it now, 99, 100. Look at that, simply amazing. It's the best thing we bought so far for the money right here. We've been doing a lot of testing on it. It'll run the toaster, our microwave, our refrigerator, our freezer, and of course they also send you the stuff where you can add another panel if you want, pass-through charging. Simply amazing. It's well worth the money. I do have them smaller than this. You can also plug in this here, right here, goes in here, and you can add, you know, the two panels. But well worth the money so far. I'm going to keep up the reviews, and we're going to put it through a lot more testing. So subscribe, share, give us a thumbs up, see how you like it. But Jackery so far has been the best. All right, follow us on Rooted in Routes. Thank you.